Welcome to alternativetherapyclinic.net. Let's do pranayam kriya or the science of breathing. Sit comfortably in Siddhasana and start taking deep breath. Take 5 to 10 rounds of deep breath while sitting idle in Siddhasana, keeping your whole body and mind relaxed. Keep your hands on laps. Breathe in stomach and force out. Breathe in the chest and force out. Breathe till the shoulder and force out. The exhalation should be forceful. Take a deep breath into your stomach and force it out. Next step which you do, you can do 5 to 10 rounds of it. Next is straight hands. Now inhale with your hands brought in and exhale with force through mouth. Keep your hands straight. Inhale with hands brought in and exhale with force through mouth. Next breathing exercise which you can do is Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati is forceful exhalation. Inhale normally, deeply, and exhale quickly with force. Next is twist body at hips, look behind and inhale on one side and exhale on the other. I again repeat it. Twist your body at the hips, look behind, inhale on one side and exhale on the other. Do it for 10 rounds. Next is neck breathing. Neck breathing, force wind in, throw your head back and then force wind down through throat with your head down and exhale normally. Next pranayam kriya includes take hands up and inhale. Now exhale while taking your hands down. When you take your hands up and you are inhaling, that's okay, but when you exhale down, keep your palms inside facing your chest and imagine that you are cleaning your aura. Next is Anulom Vilom, which we also called alternate nostril breathing. Start inhalation from the left nostril, then shift to right. Do 10 rounds of it. First, inhale from left, exhale from right. Now inhale from right and exhale from left. Next is elemental breathing. Very slow inhalation through mouth and exhale with force through nose. While doing this elemental breathing, keep your hands at Manipura Chakra. Next is Surya Shakti, the power of sun. And the process is inhale through right nostril with your chin down. Now retain breath as much as you can. Then exhale through right nostril. And the last one is bend forward and with deep inhalation at varying speeds and come back. Bend forward, inhale and exhale while coming back. And the last one which you can do to close down the exercise is inhale very slowly and then exhale very slowly, just to calm you down.